Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted something slightly different. We actually got the new Halo CANBUS Immobiliser system on this Ford Transit. How the system works is when the customer leaves the vehicle, you'll see two flashes. System will be armed. Nice and convenient for people that are jumping in and out their car all day and Uber driving, you know. So how the system works is main ignition on. If I try and start it, you see the vehicle won't start. Okay, it's immobilised, foot on the brake, ignition cranking, just won't start. Okay, so main ignition on. Push sequence, get an indicator flash, foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Really simple, really straightforward. If the customer wants to put it in valley mode, the way he would do that, let's just arm it. So open and close the door. So main ignition on, only this time, tap, tap, tap. On the fourth time, hold it down and within 15 seconds, you'll get 5 flashes to confirm it's in valley mode. So if you watch carefully, you'll get 5 flashes just to confirm. There you go. There you go, 5 flashes. So now if I try and start it, it will start. Okay, no problem at all. And if I open and close the door, as I open the door, no flashing. Okay, system is in valley mode. Okay. So what we've noticed on this system here, if you want to put it in and out of valley mode, ignition has to be on and vehicle not running. So to take it out now, main ignition on, left, right, hold. See, you've got no vision at the moment. It's in valley mode, it's covert. But in about 15 seconds, you'll see it give you a flash. So I think it's 2 flashes. Let's just confirm. 1 flash. There you go. System is now out of valley mode. So when I open the door, system will be armed. Okay, so finally now, if I wanted to change the code, this is also straightforward. So first of all, let's disarm the system. Ignition on. Tap, 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 tap. System disarms. Now, I'm just going to cycle. I'm not going to open the door. I'm just going to turn the ignition on and tap the accelerator 10 times, and that will take me to learn. So ignition on. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Indicator flash twice, then tap, 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 tap. Ignition off within 5 seconds. That's the new code confirmed by 1 flash. So now, if I open and close the door, ignition on, tap, 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 new code, start the vehicle. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. If you want to give me a call direct for one of these systems, the number is 02890604780, 02890604780. Thank you very much, bye bye.